We all realize that waiting in a queue can be frustrating, especially when the hold time is long. Long waiting periods can significantly reduce customer satisfaction when they call a business for support. To address this issue, we created the Queue Callback add-on module. This module allows callers to choose a callback instead of staying on the line. When it's their turn and an available agent is free, HAPBX will automatically return the call to them. Because this is a commercial add-on, you must install it first by going to Admin Add-Ons Add-Ons. Without a license, you can only create one queue callback, but you may use all of its features without any time limit. You can purchase a license specifically for this add-on, or obtain it as part of the Call Center Carrier Plus or HAPBX One packages. Once the add-on is installed, navigate to PBX, Call Center, Queue's Callback. To create a callback entry, start by adding a description so you can easily recognize it later. Then select the Callback Queue. This queue is where all callback requests will be sent. By default, it's the same queue, but you can choose another if needed. Remember that any module that performs outbound calling requires a class of service, so it knows what numbers it's permitted to dial. If your system uses a dial prefix to route calls through a specific outbound route, you can configure that here as well. Next, set the maximum tries and ring time. These options determine how many times HAPBX will try calling the customer and how long it will wait for them to answer. For now, the rest of the settings can remain at their default values. Another key setting is the Ask Callback Number feature. When activated, callers can manually type in the number where they want to receive the callback. You can configure allowed number rules to prevent misuse of this feature. These rules work like dial patterns that callers must follow to submit a valid number. You can enable or disable each pattern individually. After setting this up, click Save and apply changes. Additional configuration options are also available. Caller ID allows you to specify the name and phone number that the callback will display to the customer. This is helpful so the customer knows who is calling them. DTMF digit is the key callers press to request a callback while waiting. By default, it's set to 1. Instructions. Message replaces the periodic announcements normally played in a queue. Invalid message plays if the caller enters a number that doesn't match the allowed patterns. Number prompt message tells the caller which digit to press if they want to opt into the callback feature. Thanks prompt plays after the caller successfully activates the callback option. Finally, the time group option lets you define when callbacks are allowed to occur. Once the callback is created, you must assign it to a queue to begin using it. Go to PBX, Call Center, Queues. You'll notice a new field for assigning a callback in the General tab. You can assign the callback to either a brand new queue or one you already have. Select your previously created callback from the drop-down list, then click Update or Save and apply changes. Note that enabling callback support will replace the queue's periodic announcements with the instruction message and disable queue IVR support. Your users will now have the ability to request a callback instead of waiting on hold. You can monitor callback activity from the new Callback Reports section located under Reports, Call Center Reports, Queue Callback Reports. Here, a table shows all callers that have opted for a callback. You can filter by queue callback, status, or start and end date. The Scheduled Queue Callbacks table displays the date and time of queue callback, the callback queue, the callback requester name, and the callback number, the number of tries, the status of the callback and actions such as delete callback. Using the Queue Callback module significantly increases customer satisfaction by freeing them from long hold times. This feature is an excellent enhancement for any call center environment.